The most common package for the CD is the jewel box. The printed insert supplied by the customer is put into an unassembled box. The box is assembled, the CD is inserted, the box is closed and poly-wrapped. Some companies rely on machines to do all their work, but not us at DMI, no sir. DMI offers a unique service in the disc replicating industry called custom fulfillment. This service allows a customer to have some really unique and custom packaging options. Each disc is packed by hand, so no matter how creative the packaging is, we can pack it and ship it. DMI ships out over 100 million discs annually through all major shippers around the world. This high-volume experience will assure that the customer's finished product reaches its destination on time.